In light vehicle applications, the pressure plate is normally a diaphragm type and is serviced as an assembly. It consists of a pressed steel cover, a pressure plate with a machined flat surface, a number of spring steel drive straps, and the diaphragm spring. This diaphragm is located inside the clutch cover on 2 fulcrum rings, held by a number of rivets passing through the diaphragm. The pressure plate is connected to the cover by the spring steel drive straps, riveted to the cover at one end and to projecting lugs on the plate at the other. Retraction clips hold the pressure plate in contact with the outer edge of the diaphragm. During clutch operation, they move the plate away from the flywheel